Okay, y'all, so let's get started on this beautiful face. So we're going to start with eyebrows first. I am going to be using this edge booster, edge control for my eyebrows because it's my face and I can do that. I am going to be brushing my eyebrows up because I'm going for that natural eyebrow fluffy look, period. I'm going to be taking my NK eyebrow pen and outlining my eyebrows. And I'm going to be filling them in with this pen also. So next I'm going to be taking my flat brush and my L'Oreal Paris Infallible Wear Color 400 Concealer, and I'm going to be outlining my eyebrows. I really love this concealer because it's so smooth and it has full coverage. I use this in all of my videos. It dries fast. It's not too like wet or drippy or anything. It's like the perfect consistency, and I really love it. So after I finish outlining my brows with concealer, I am going to just blend it in. And y'all, I just want to say how I upgraded from the pomade to the pen. I love the pomade still, but the pen is just like I get to have more control over where the makeup product is going. And it just looked better. I just love how the pen have a natural look to it. It's not too clumpy, you don't get too much product. It just looked really natural. So next I'm just going to take my spoolie brush and I'm just going to brush that out. So I'm going to use my Smashbox primer, y'all. This primer is so good for dry skin. I have dry skin. It's not for everybody. But if you have clients who have dry skin, or if you have dry skin, I highly recommend this Smashbox primer. It's just like, yes. So we're just going to put that all over our face and we're going to prime our face. So I'm just going to go back in and blend in my concealer into my eyes a little bit more. I like firm brushes. I really don't like fluffy brushes too much. I like brushes that are very firm. So now I'm going to take my Infallible Wear L'Oreal Paris foundation in the color 511. And I am just going to put this all over my face and blend it in with my beauty blender. I really like using the beauty blender for my foundation because it don't leave streaks on your face. It gives you full coverage. It gives you a smooth, flawless finish. So I really highly recommend using a beauty blender instead of a brush. want to take my Juvia's Palace concealer and go under my eyes with it. Y'all, if you are a dark skinned girl or a colored girl, I really feel like Juvia's Palace is so slept on because of higher name brands. But they really have all kind of shades, foundations, concealers, contours for dark, colored girls. So I highly recommend checking them out. Don't just follow the trends and don't follow, what's popping, because it's stuff out there that'll really match your skin and it'll really make you look good as a colored girl. So just keep that in mind the next time you're in Ulta Beauty or a makeup store, period. So y'all, let's just remember that the key to making yourself look good is blending. Like, it don't matter how long you are blending. You just need to blend, because a lot of people look dead, and y'all know it's my pet peeve, but we're gonna blend. So this is a new concept that I started. I am baking my face before I put anything else on it. Right after concealer, I am baking my face. I was not doing this before. This is my first time doing it. And let's just say I am moving on up with the makeup world, because I should have been doing this. But bake your face. I'm using Banana. Y'all, I really forgot the brand that this is, but it don't matter because I'm not promoting nobody. But yeah, the color Banana. So now I'm just going to be wiping this powder off my face softly. Another tip I forgot to tell y'all is that when you are baking your face, make sure you're stretching your skin so that you can have that flawless, smooth look, because baking your face actually gets rid of those extra lines and stuff under your eyes. So make sure you are baking your face. People don't tell you why you should do stuff. They just tell you to do it. So I'm telling you now, bake your face so you won't have those, creases and lines and stuff. So moving on to contouring. So I'm using my Fenty Beauty matchstick in the color Espresso. Y'all, I always use this contour. I love it. A tip for contouring is blend, like pat it in, but then blend in circular motions at the top so that it will blend into your concealer too, because you don't want to have like concealer, then dark, and then concealer at the bottom. So that'll just help you not look like a mannequin, like literally. But anyway, so now I'm just going to be contouring my nose and my forehead, and then I'm going to be adding my setting powder under my contour. I do this because you want that cheekbone to look really bold and like it's really like a fish. So just bake under that. Look, it looks so good. Like, look at me, period. But yeah, so we're just gonna let that bake, let that sit, and we're gonna go in and we're gonna blend everything together. Like, we're gonna blend it all in together, make it look good. So now I'm going to take this fluffy brush and I'm going to be adding my bronzer in, just so that we won't be looking white and pale, because that's my pet peeve. I don't like looking dead, y'all. Like, no, we're not doing that. I'm going to take my Juvia's Palace once again, blush, and blush those cheeks and smile, period. And I really just want to say, do not judge your face before you are done with it completely, especially not without those lashes. So I did my highlighter too, and y'all, at the end I decided I want to do some eyeshadow, so that's what I am doing after I got my lashes on, looking good, looking beat. So I'm going to be doing eyeshadow with my Juvia's Palace also. I don't recommend doing your lashes and doing your eyeshadow, but I waited till the last minute to decide it, and it turned out really cute. So just keep on watching for the finishing look. Y'all, I was so in love with this this look. Like, I just love the way that it all came together. So I just want to do more. I'm going to be adding a matte red lipstick to this look, and it just turned out so beautiful.